Good morning, everyone. I'm so excited. I want to see the inside of this soap that I made yesterday with let's see. Nope, that's not it. Wait a minute, yeah. Here it is. Black Raspberry Vanilla by Virginia Candle Supply. Y'all, when I tell y'all, it smells so good. I made that soap yesterday, and it's still, this whole area still smells like black raspberry vanilla. It smells so good. And I'm so excited about the design of the soap. I want to see the inside because if you remember, if you watched the live yesterday, I took a cardboard box, cut a piece off, and measured it to the size of my mold. Stuck it on the inside to divide it in half, and I poured pink on one side and black on the other. Then I slowly lifted it out, and it had the half and half, and then I took a chopstick and did figure eights all in it. So I am so excited to see the design on the inside of the soap because I know the design on the outside is outstanding already. So are y'all ready to cut this soap with me? I am. Oh, wait a minute. I gotta share the post first. I'll be forgetting to do that, y'all. Let me grab my cell phone. As soon as here it is. I'll be throwing my phone in that big old purse and it takes me forever to find it. Alright, so let me share the post, y'all. Hold on. Let me share the post so we can get people in here to see what we are doing. So we can get people in here. And why am I repeating myself? Let me turn my volume down on my phone. Okay, that's one. And we got one more page to share it to y'all. Just give me time. Give me time. Give me time. I think I shared it to here already. So let me share it to here. Y'all. That's not what I want to do. Boom. Alright. I think we got it. I think we got it. So, let's cut this soap, y'all. Shoot, because I've been waiting. Let me turn this light around so everyone can see. And let me turn the camera over here. Alright, y'all, we about to cut this soap. I've been waiting to cut this soap. We about to cut this soap. Yes. So, I need to move this. Move this. Let's take it out the mold first, y'all. Let me fix the camera where y'all can see good. Let's fix the light. The light. So y'all can see real good. Okay, so. Oh no, I'm in the way of the light, y'all. I want that. Oh, I hate this light. Let me put it right here. This is better. Huh. Alright. I gotta get situated, y'all. I'll be going on live and fidgeting with this camera and this light. Ooh, so it's pink on one side and black on the other. I'll put some gloves on. I'm gonna put some gloves on. I'm putting gloves on for sanitary reasons to not touch all over the soap that I'm gonna be selling to my customers. But that's the only reason. The soap is safe, so I just don't want to touch all over it. And y'all be like, oh, she touching all over the soap. No, we got gloves on, sis. Look. So, put this over here. So it's pink on this side and black on this side. Oh, the pink linked over to the bottom. We gonna see, y'all. We gonna see. And then y'all remember I had leftover batter, so I did the little mini mold too, the little mini soap. And this one I'm just gonna cut into small. Well, if I can get it out, I'm just gonna cut into small soaps and just stick them in my customer orders as free samples for them to see if they like it. So guess what I'm gonna do, y'all? I'm gonna mess with y'all. I'm gonna cut the mini loaf first. I'm gonna cut the mini loaf first. Then we're gonna cut the big one. So let's cut this mini loaf. So I'm gonna put sample sizes with the mini loaf. So we're gonna cut some smaller mini soaps with sample sizes. Let's cut this end off first. Cut this end off. Okay, so we're cutting small little mini soaps. And this is the mini soaps. Now, the big soap is not going to look like the mini soap because I didn't do the same design. I just spoon swirled this mini soap. So, this is free samples that goes in people's purchases. These will be free in your purchase box. Once they cure, of course, in 4 weeks. Ain't they so cute? Little mini soaps, y'all. Little minis. Little mini soaps, but they are cute. Black raspberry vanilla mini soaps to go in your purchases. When you purchase from me, you'll get one of these free. Y'all know I be throwing little freebies in y'all boxes, though. Like the lady that ordered this morning, she ordered the 3 soaps and the 1 body butter for $40. She got blood orange and goji, Caribbean teakwood, and what was the other one? Arabian Nights. And then for her body butter choice, she chose blood orange and goji. And then I threw a lollipop icicle soap in for free and a watermelon body butter in for free for her daughter, so she's excited. So I be throwing little free stuff. You get more than what you pay for with me. And the soaps is huge, so I'm not one of them soap makers that make them little skippy small soap bars and sell them for $12, $15. That's not me. You'll see how big I cut this soap because my soaps are huge, and my soaps last the customer up to from 3 to 6 months, depending on how much they use it. But this is going to be one of the little freebie soaps that's going to go in a purchase for a customer. So yeah, that's that. That is that. So now we're going to cut the one we all been waiting for. Alright, so we're going to cut it end off because I don't like selling the end pieces. So we're going to cut an end piece off. And guess what? Now we're about to see what it looks like in the middle. Alright. Oh my goodness. Look at the middle of the soap. Y'all see how big my bars are? I give huge bars for $12. But look at the first cut. Look at that weird, pretty design. So let's cut another one. Oh my goodness, look at it. Ain't that cool, y'all? That's cool. And you see how big my bars are? Huge. This is black raspberry vanilla. huge bars, all natural oils, no chemicals, no alcohol. So it's good for all skin types, sensitive, dry, normal. Ain't this beautiful? Cool design. Black raspberry vanilla. And I can't wait to bevel them and clean them up real pretty. Yes. And these are the last two. Ain't this gorgeous? Man, I'm so excited. Black raspberry vanilla. So, what I was going for was the black was supposed to swivel into the pink. Let me see if I can find one that it did. See, like this, see how the black went over, but it was supposed to be. But I'm still happy with how it came out because it's cool. You can't find soap like this in stores, baby. You can only get it from Jabel soaps. And my soaps are made of tallow, coconut oil, avocado oil, sweet almond oil, castor oil, and olive oil. That's the only thing in my soap. So your skin is getting all the nourishment and moisturization that it can possibly get. When you get out the tub, your skin is feeling soft and smooth and not that squeaky clean, dry feeling that soap bars give you, y'all. You don't even need to put lotion on when you take a bath with these soaps. But if you get the body butter to go with it and you put that body butter on after you get out the tub, you be feeling like a whole new woman. I can't wait for bath times every night. I pick a soap that I'm going to use and I pick a body butter and I go soak in my tub, bubble bath, and use my soap. Get out, put some body butter on, and whoo, my husband like it, y'all. I'm telling y'all, it's a game changer. So, how do y'all think that the soap came out? Is it what you was expecting? I was expecting a little more swiggles of the black into the pink. That's what I was expecting. But I'm still happy with how it turned out. You can't find soap like this in stores. This is handmade. This is talent. And I'm not bragging. I'm not bragging, but I'm bragging, because when God bless you, you got to tell people about it. And God blessed me with a gift, and I'm using it, so I'm going to brag about what God gave me. And I want y'all to try it. Customers who try my soap, they remain customers, and they love it, and they never buy anything out the store again. That's true testimony. It's a game changer. Handmade soap is a game changer. See, the difference in these soaps and the soaps in stores is the soaps in stores are not really soap. They're not really soap. They're detergent. Handmade soap is the only real soap, the only real live soap that you get. And it has no chemicals, no alcohol, just all great oils and benefits for your skin. It's good for people with eczema, psoriasis, any kind of skin infliction. The reason I started making soap is because I have psoriatic arthritis and my skin breaks out and flare up. I have crises sometimes, and if I buy store-bought products with all the chemicals and the alcohol in it, all it did was just make my condition worse, and I couldn't understand what was happening. And the doctor told me it's the ingredients and the alcohol. Alcohol is a trigger for people with skin inflictions. So I started making my own soap, and guess what? I haven't had a flare-up in a year since I've been making my soap. And it has changed my skin game, y'all. No lie. No cap. That's how we saying it now. No cap. It has changed my skin game, and I love it. Then I started making body butter the same way with the same oils, the benefits, no chemicals, no alcohol, and people can't understand. How do you get your body butter like that? Yes. You better try it, y'all. I'm happy. I like how it came out. So I have a lot of soap made, y'all. A lot of soap made. So I'm selling. And I have a sale going on right now too, y'all. It's the 3 soaps. You get 3 soaps and 1 body butter for $40 plus shipping. And that's what a few of the customers ordered this morning. And you get to pick what soaps you want and what body butters you want. And some of the soaps, I have the body butter to go with it. Like, let's see. The Caribbean Teakwood has a body butter. The Blood Orange and Goji soap has a body butter. And I have watermelon body butter, but the watermelon soap is sold out, so I just got the body butter. I have peach body butter. I have peach soap. What else? Cool water. Cool water soap is sold out, but I still have the cool water body butter, and that's for men and women. And my bundles are $40, 3 soaps and 1 body butter, and of course, you know, you get little freebies in your box. So, and I have another bundle if you just want 1 soap and 1 body butter. That that bundle is $20 plus shipping. So you can do 1 soap, 1 body butter for $20, or you can do 3 soaps, 1 body butter for $40. So, yes, so y'all hit my page up. Please like this post and share this post and follow my page and invite your friends to follow my page so you can see more beautiful soaps and body butters. I also have candles and wax melts, and some of the soaps have candles to go with it, like the Caribbean Teakwood, the Phoenix Nights, and the Arabian Nights candles. I have soaps for all those. What else? Yeah, follow my page. Invite people to follow my page. If you are a customer and you make a purchase, I put you on a list, and if you bring me 3 customers, I give you a free order of $35. The only thing you pay is shipping. So y'all have incentives. I give you freebies. It's great products. We got Yanni bars. We got infant bars. We got facial bars. We got bathing bars, body butters, eczema creams. We got candles and wax melts. So y'all hit me up. Christmas is coming up. These make great Christmas gifts. So yeah, this is Jabelle Soaps, and I'm signing out after cutting that awesome beautiful soap, and I'm gonna post it on the page after I bevel them and clean them up and take a pretty picture of them. I'll post them on the page for everybody to see. So, hey Pam, I didn't see these comments. Can I see the samples? I'm sorry. Hold on. So the samples, these are the samples. These little soaps here. I cut them this wide, and they're going to be little freebies that goes in customers' orders, little mini soaps. Yes. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm not going to do this one because I never pass out the ends right here like that. So I keep these for my bathroom. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 12 little free samples, y'all. 12 little free samples, and they are so cute, little mini soaps. Those are for customers. Customers get those, and they are for free. So thank y'all for joining me. Y'all have a very blessed, what's today, Friday? Let me see. Yep, today is Friday, November 4th. Have a beautiful Friday, and going into the weekend, have a blessed, safe, and beautiful weekend. May God be with all y'all and cap his angels around y'all and protect y'all from sickness, harm, death, evil, and violence in the name of Jesus. And I thank y'all for joining me. Follow my page. Bye.